Hey everyone, it's Kay here. Thank you very much for joining me today. I thought that I would share this box I got from Taperlogy, and got it because they were having a New Year's Eve sale which finished at the end of December, and I thought, oh, because Taperlogy stuff is not cheap, but I thought and they was doing free postage as well, so I thought I would just jump in there, and I bought one of their past mystery boxes so this is the August one. So they've got a few on their website, the big boxes that they haven't sold, so they sell them on again, and they were already reduced, and so with the sale as well, I think it was 20% off as well, so I thought that was a good thing to get. But those always have all the little stuff. Did I open it upside down? Oh, yes, I've got to read there. I'm finally home. So, there you go. Ooh. Let's have a look what we got. Got a thank you card for 10% off my next purchase. I'll add that to my other one. I've got two up there now. Some rub-ons, a gift for you. Oh, they're nice. I don't know if you can see them. They're really lovely. I love the pinks and roses. I don't know. Where's the opening one? Sorry. It's good to see if I can open it for you. I mean, it's always beautifully packed, and I do just love their stuff, but they sell some boxes for $300, and by the time you put postage in Australia, it gets a bit much. But aren't they beautiful? They're so beautiful. They're the same on both pages. Oh no, different things. Oh, lovely. They're gorgeous. So it was a freebie. To say thank you. How awesome. I love the rub-ons that we have in these times now. Rub-ons used to be hopeless in the past, but they're really good now. So I'll put that there, and I'll add my stick to my collection. Got some butterfly things. We put this box to one side so it's not just so distracting. So got that. Got some butterfly stickers. There's their vellum stickers. They're lovely. Don't they look so lifelike? The colours are gorgeous. Don't show them all, just a couple more. Look at that, beautiful. And the fact that they are a bit glossy, but not that sort of like, I prefer washi tape kind of stickers to the other kind, the pet stickers. I just prefer the slightly more matte ones, so they're gorgeous. And I could use the packaging for a background to make something. And then there's a couple of washi tapes. This one's got beautiful writing on it and some lovely pictures. That's the only thing that bothers me about our craft, is the amount of plastic that gets used to wrap things up. I'm sorry, I'm a bit of a I do like to try and recycle stuff if I can, but this sort of stuff I can't recycle. Only because I'm very mindful of plastic chewing up not chewing, but hurting creatures in the ocean and things like that. So yeah, that's just that. That's really like that. It's probably all the same. I can't work out how to open it. It'll take me forever. So that's one. Then this one is just got some mathematical graphs and stuff like that. Algebra. Mathematics and algebra, that one. This one is adverts. That's good. They're all good. I love them. It's good to have neutral ones, I think. This one's all wrapped up briefly. Keep the twine, of course. If I can do it without cutting it. It would take ages to do all the wrapping, all the tying of these things. And I know she's a lot of big name people get things from her, Florence. It's lovely. Not sure what it says. But try very hard to open the package now without breaking the packet. Famous last words. Did a pretty good job actually. So in this packet is, and I'll recycle this as well, is labels. Love labels. Here's the opening. Oh, there. It's like getting Christmas all over again. Lovely pouch. Definitely was recycle that one. So yeah, a whole heap of stickers. Plain ones, coloured ones, grungy looking ones, butterflies. There's heaps in there. I can't remember how many was in there when I ordered it, when it was what they said. Does it say on the packet? No. Very, very handy. I won't leave them in there. I'll probably find something else to put them in. So this packet, I think this is just similar sort of thing, but made from different material. Oh. Oh. Sticky tape is sticking everywhere. I've got a little bin next to me that I put all my plastic stuff in, separated from the papers. Okay, another bag to recycle to use. These are sort of like thicker paper, and again tags, and they'd be great to put in pockets, little pockets. Make a journaling card. There's a feature in one of those. They're really lovely. I like the texture on those. This is gorgeous, this one here. Oh, I guess it's like having Christmas all over again. Probably should have left the labels out for you to see. Another beautifully wrapped package. This is the only thing. It came with lace. I thought, do I really need any more lace? Not really, but it came with lace. And out of all of the other boxes, there was August, September and October were available. This is the one I like the best. Because you can see what's in the box. Even though they're mystery boxes, they're not mystery boxes anymore because they've gone past their, what's the word, use kind of thing. I'll have to work out how to strengthen it. Fold that properly in a minute, because that would be good to use as well. So these are all the laces. Let's have a look. There's quite a few here actually. That's lovely. Isn't that beautiful? That's lovely. I can never have enough of these daisy things. They're really good. Oh, that's lovely. That's sort of like a pale sage green. That's gorgeous. Well, that's nice. This is gorgeous too. Wow. Actually, I'm glad now that I've got the laces, because I've got some things here that I haven't seen before. That's really beautiful. That's really lovely too. Oh, look at this one. That's almost like that Gulpere lace. Is that how, I don't know how to say it. Guylepre. Gulpere? I don't know. It's beautiful. That's so lovely. There's a lot here. Wow. More lace daisies. That's gorgeous too. Could cut the flowers off and just use them as that. Wow. This is a blue one. This is different. Wow. This is different. Really different. Oh, flat in the back. Then there's this. That's really different. That's so lovely. And What else have I haven't shown you? Did I show you this one? No, I don't think I did. This one here with the sheer and a sort of like a pale mauve colour. Nice little trim for Christmas. Oh, I'll do like that one. Yes, that's pretty too. Gosh, there's some really lovely ones here. That one's very sparkly. Where's that come? What's the sparkly one? Wow, look at how sparkly that is. That's so sparkly. Thread between the two things. That's so sparkly. Black, that's really nice. Pink. Some really, really pretty ones. So pretty. That's beautiful. That's really different. I've not got that colour green. That is really different. That's lovely. I think I've got something like that already, but it's really nice. What's this one? It's all curled up. That's just a small trim. Uncurl it. That's nice. More daisies. I like the daisies. They're so useful. And some bigger ones. The bigger flowers are great. You can cut them off. Some different colours. That's lovely too. Really, oh gee, it's so soft. So soft. There's a few of this sort of colour. I don't know. It's a sort of like a. That one's not as purple as the other one. That's more sort of grey. Not sure. Sort of blue, like a on the purple colour side. That's really nice too. So they are really gorgeous, and there's a lot more there than I thought. Yeah, what's in this package? So really and truly, I can see why it costs so much to buy. There's a lot of things here, and it costs a lot of money to buy them. Unless you go with Temu, but I've decided not to buy things from Temu anymore because I don't know, just have to say it's a bit hard for some of my things. It's a really good page to recycle, so I'll pop that there. Waste it. And in here, there's a whole heap of different things. There's all these. And this is another thing I wasn't really a big fan of, but I can use it as a layering thing and put some stuff on top. They're not really the sort of thing that I would go for. Like tickets. I suppose. I like the green ones. I quite like the green ones. Like the colours I'm not overly fussed with. And there's all these pages. Very grungy looking. Perfect. Oh, you make a little book, look. It's an idea, because a lot of these pages look like they could be in half. Wow, there's some lovely things there. Really lovely. Are they vellum ones? Those ones. Yeah, there's a couple of those. The Paris one. Oh! You've got this size one. I've had these before and I have used them quite a lot, so it's good to have some more. These are smaller letters and different things. Astronomy thing, butterflies, receipt looking things. What are these? These are vellum strips with things on them. Put that on a tag, or just put it on the side of a page. You can still see the writing and have that on top if you wanted to. So that's good to have those. And then there's these last little ones. Oh, look at those birds. They're so good. They're lovely. Oh, this is really awesome. But don't have anything like this, so that's really good. Oh, that's really lovely too. Wow. They are fabulous. I'm so glad I've got this box now. And the last thing, sometimes I'm looking for a different texture for creating camera. So I've got some papers. Spices of potatoes roasted by hand. Could use the label again. So we've got, there was one that was sort of had a lot of green things in it, and like there was a lot of green material, and I thought I didn't really want that one. That's pretty. So that's a snowflake one. I like all the different textures. Could even create a whole page using this. Oh, it's really soft and oh, that's lovely. that's so interesting. Really, there's some really great things here. Pink's a bit bright for my liking, but that's right, we can do something with that. Same for this, pink's a bit bright as well. I'm not big, I like pink, not bright pink. It's not my favourite colour. My favourite colour is aqua or turquoise. That's the kind of pink I like, a dusty pink, this kind of pink. They're really different. Shades of purple and pink. There's two separate ones there. That's interesting pattern. So yes, that's my Taperlogy buy that I got in between Christmas and New Year, and I'm really happy with everything that I got here, and just got to find places to put it now. Don't you find that you get stuff and you think, well, where am I going to put it? Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed me sharing my haul from Taperlogy. And Taperlogy is one of those words you never know quite sure how to say it, so I think it's Taperlogy. Please take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye. See ya.